This is a new 16-channel counting machine, suitable for round and square bottles for filling capsules within 22 millimeters in length, standard or special-shaped tablets, pills, etc. Production capacity is 5,100 bottles min. 1 more storage process to make the production speed faster. 2. Vibrating for feeding to improve counting accuracy. 3. Once the bottle is in place, the feeding port is pressed down to prevent material leakage. 4. Rejecting crushed or overlapping materials for higher precision. 5. The speed is plus 30% faster than conventional machine. 6. Reject bottles with excess capsules. 7. With lifting function, need not replace so many nozzles.